Welcome to the 6th video in the CAD module. In this video, we'll be looking at ways of outputting your file for presentation. Now, in order to save this file, we need to do a few things first. One of the things is that we're going to get rid of the existing guidelines. So what you're going to do is just highlight the individual hatched lines that you see, and if you require, you need to zoom in using your mouse wheel and just delete the guidelines where you find them. You'll notice that this may actually turn a number of parts of your drawing green. That's okay, we'll be taking care of that in 1 second. So we're going to be deleting the different constraints where we see them. Once you've done that, you're going to see, oh, there's one more, and it's up, that one in the belonging to the circle, one of the first construction lines we created. We're going to delete that as well. You're going to see a number of green lines. Now, the green lines traditionally mean that the drawing is under-constrained and it needs measurements added. The Autodesk Inventor has a handy tool where it automatically adds any missing dimensions. So go to the Dimension button, and right beside it is the Automatic Dimensions and Constraints button. Press it, and you'll see that there are 24 dimensions required. So we're going to apply. It's going to take a second, but it will automatically add any dimensions that are required, and we're going to click Done. Now you're going to see down in the bottom right hand corner that Autodesk Inventor says that it's fully constrained, and so the drawing is ready to be finished. We're going up to Finish Sketch to click on the green check mark. Now you'll notice that you can still see all the dimensions and it looks rather cluttered. That's okay. We don't need the dimensions for presentation right now, so what we're going to do is go over to the Sketch 1 in the design tree here, right click on it, and we're going to zip down and uncheck Dimension Visibility. And what will happen is all the dimensions will be removed from the view. Now you will see the green lines here, and that's okay still, because we know that the drawing is fully constrained. So we have our part and we're ready to save it. Now there are a number of ways of saving and presenting your file. We're going to go up to the orange eye in the upper left hand corner, click on it, and you're given a number of options. The ones that I'd like you to take a look at are the Save As. So you can click Save As, and you can save as, or save as a copy, save as a template. If I click on Save Copy As, I am given some choices of what I can save as. And if you take a look, if you save as type, you can save as a number of different design types of files. The STL file is used for 3D printing, and the AutoCAD and Autodesk files are used for other drafting programs. So we can also save it as a JPEG file, as a straightforward image. So we're going to do that for right now. So I have Part 7 JPEG, and suited to our protocol for naming files in the CAD 1 module, you'll put down your project name. For this, we'll call the test teaching file. Underscore my initials, underscore the course that this belongs to, and underscore the version that we are saving it as. So I have test teaching project underscore VS underscore CAD1 underscore V1 for version 1, and then we'll save. The other way that we can export a file is to go up to the orange eye again, and we can export it in a variety of different formats as well. DWF, DWG, CAD, PDF, and image. For this example, what I'm going to do is export it as a PDF file. Now a PDF file will be saving exactly the same way, and we will be using test teaching project VS1 VS underscore CAD1 underscore v1 because that is the version that we are saving right now. If I was to save it again, I would put v2. So I'm going to save it as a PDF file. I already have it there, but I'm going to replace it. Now, to print this file, we can go up to the orange eye again, and we can click Print. Now keep in mind that when we print, we can print the entire view of what we're seeing on the page, and that's why it's important to pan your drawing to the middle of the drawing surface area so that you'll get the entire drawing. So when I click Print, I'm given a print options, and I can print the range and what pages, and I can print the file. Now for layout, you can also adjust the view to an isometric view so that you can see it from different angles as well, and you can print or export that view as well. So I can export that view to a PDF as well, or save it as that view. Now each image will be different from one another. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor.